Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about the arc length. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to find first the derivative of y. So in this one we need to do first the derivative of s from here, and the value of s will change for t. Minus, we need to do first the derivative of number 0, and number 0 will change for t. Now we simplify and we have the square root of cosine 2s. Now we can apply the formula in here. The integration from 0 to b over 4. And we have the square root, and we have first the derivative of y to the power of 2 plus 1, and we have the s. Next, we have the integration from 0 to b over 4. So this one, I will put this one cone here with the power 2, and we have cosine 2s. We know that cosine 2s, that is about 2 cosine s squared minus number 1. Now we need to change cosine 2s into this one. So 1 minus 1 we cancel. Now from 0 to b over 4, the square root of cosine s squared, we will have about, we put the square root of number 2 cone here. That is about the absolute value of cosine s. So from 0 to b over 4, cosine s, they always positive, and now we can cancel the absolute value. The integration of cosine s, that is about sine s, and we put the bounds from 0 to b over 4. And now we have the final answer. So we simplify this one, and we have the square root of number 2 with the square root of number 2 over 2. We calculate this one, and we have number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.